guys are
That's
obsessed.
Wow, I can't make the date card.
I just picked that out.
What are you cackling about? What is she cackling about?
Crystal, you drive me crazy.
Where's the other two, buddy? Where's the other two?
The other two what?
The quad and the...
Oh, they're in there.
Where? You just had them.
I know what, I put them in there.
In where?
You have to fix it.
Oh, I was going to put them in your box.
No, because you have super glue.
Oh.
What is it? I can't see it.
It's so
Oh
big.
my God.
It's big.
Need to send that to Monica.
It says, do I smell cake?
Let me see it.
He smells it alright. It's been smushed up in his
Looks like somebody I know.
She's on
I hope it's
7
not
o'clock
somebody in
morning.
the room here.
Johnny.
Never mind,
I'm
Mom.
so God.
Thank you, Nana.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Monica. It's 7 o'clock in the morning.
You probably signed it and don't even know it.
It's funny though.
I have to apologize. It's not right.
She's worse than Oh.
Ooh, I got it. Oh,
Dang.
I just guessed.
Yeah, really.
The dip.
More you have to guess or asking.
Ooh.
I didn't get an O out of that one, so.
Oh, that's nice, buddy. The dip.
Okay,
Oh, thank you, Nana. I definitely need shorts.
yeah, no, I just heard.
Give those to Grandma so we can look at. Maybe hand them on the wood.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Those are neat.
Apparently it stops recording.
Oh.
Really?
I don't know if that'll fit you, Austin. I hope it does.
Ooh, that's a nice looking shirt.
Yeah.
They're neat.
Cool.
Oh.
Maybe should I put those on the table?
Thank you, Nana.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Nice phone.
Mama has the receipt in case they don't fit.
XXL.
Traveling.
That's what Grandpa wears. XXL.
Oh.
Do I smell cake? No Popeye yet.
No?